All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can review your form submissions. So what I'm going to do is quickly fill in this form. So let's go ahead and fill in our details. We'll say it's bob@demo.com and hit next. Can fill in our name. It's Bob and next. And then Bob is super ready. He's going to hit next. We're going to select 500 and next. And we're going to say just a bunch of gibberish and submit. That's not 50 characters. I'm not sure how long 50 characters is. Maybe that's it. Yep. All right, there we go. And that should have had our success message, but I think I changed the setting to redirect and didn't change it back. So that's okay. Now I'm going to navigate back to the admin area. And then from our admin area, I'm going to navigate to Forms and click on the form that I want to view the responses for. To view the responses, I'm going to click here on Responses, and I'll see that Bob has submitted a response. He completed the form to 100%, and I'll be able to see exactly what his responses were. I can also then go ahead and export his response individually, or I can export responses all together as a CSV. So if there's multiple responses, I would be able to export all of them in a CSV file. So that is how you can view your form responses, and that is everything you need to know about setting up and creating forms in your business.